What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to darken your weathered fender flares here. I do apologize, I did start the party without you, but I'm still going to tune you in on what the process is here. Took a piece of cardboard here and I put some aluminum foil on there, so when I go at it, check this out. It has to get hot a little bit. See? Boom. So check it out, guys. Check out the difference. Boom and boom. So yeah, I'll have a link in the description below on where you can get a heat gun. It's a pretty easy process. Just the main thing is be very careful not to burn your paint. I put a piece of aluminum foil on some cardboard here like this. That keeps the heat from getting on the paint. If this video helped you out, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I got many more of these how-to videos on it to save time and money. Peace out.